Okay. This is what we call a fuel pump for a Mercedes Benz. Like as you see, the logo for Mercedes. This is the electrical part where wires are connected for the pump to work. This is where fuel enters into the pump. Then this is where it goes out. I think you can see here. This is positive, negative, positive and negative. In case you are like connecting the wires on this pump. This is the filter. Pause the fuel pump and the fuel filter are all fixed in one place. For it doesn't sit in the tank. It's mounted outside the tank. This is the inlet. Then this is the outlet. Meaning that fuel enters from here, then it comes out from here. It goes into the engine, enters from here, from the tank, then out here, it goes to the engine. This is how it's mounted, like this. Then your filter also, you put it here, like this. Fuel pump, then the filter. This is where you connect your pipes. This side from the tank, then from here goes to the engine. That's coming.